Our today's topic will be on plotting. Yeah, let me assume that I want to plot this work so that I can be able to print it. What I need to do first is you come to your layout 1, you click outside if you want to tamper with the outside space, or if you want to tamper with the inside space, you click inside space. But actually you're not really seeing the work. But there's one point I want you to understand. There's this every tendency that you want to use A3, A2, A4 and A0. You can be able to create this particular one you're seeing. So if you know the measurement of each paper you want to use, let me say like A4 is 297 by 210. So this is the size of A4. So what I need to do is for me to copy this particular side. CO is copy. So you will discover that the space is too big for the A4 size. So you need to highlight the work, or you now reduce it. No, this is the size of your A4 paper. This is the size of your A4. So if you zoom outside, let me zoom it out, then you click inside. Now you want to print it. If you like, you can be able to write your title block at the sides. That one is too easy, just the normal way of writing it. Then if you click inside, now you're trying to zoom your work because you're not seeing it. What you do next is you click Z, enter, E, enter. Okay, look at your work now as usual. Then the next step to plot it is you click on Z, enter. Then you write the scale. Scale 1 is to 100, for instance. Then you now write XP. Now look at the scale, the way it is actually. Then the next step is you go to your plots step, click on your plots, then continue. Then because you're not seeing anything at this particular point, let me say for instance, if you have plotted before, if you click on previous plots, it will display the old one you have done before. But because I want to show you from new step that you have not plotted before, then you just leave it at none. This particular place, you leave it at none. Then at this particular place, you select what you want to plot it to. If it is to PDF, if it is to any window space. Since you are plotting from AutoCAD to PDF, you click PDF. Then what you need to do first is, sometimes probably you might find this thing in layout without any window. But if you want to concentrate on this particular space to plot, you go to your window, you click window, it will pop this particular space, you click on it, then it will show you this one to capture. Then you choose from here and capture it like this. After capture it will still take you back to the normal space. Then you click to fit in paper, then you click on center to paper. Then if you want to preview whether the work is done normally, then you click on preview. Then it will display it on PDF. Well, but if you want to, since you have seen it that it is okay, if you want to print it, then what you do next, you click escape, then you click OK. Then the work will show your name, then you save it. Let me save this one as the man. Now this is okay. Okay, I'm saving it as well as I said earlier. So if you check and look at the thing is displaying as PDF now. So if you like, now you can take this PDF to go and print anywhere. So that's the point. Now look at it, as you can see, this is the work now on PDF format. So if you like, you can take it to anywhere to go and print. So this is the PDF work as we are talking now. So this is how to plot. If you want to plot it, if there's any other question, I'm available at my channel. You can visit. You can click like and other comments. Thank you very much.